In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a wire or ACH transfer with Bank of America using online banking or the mobile app. First, sign into your Bank of America account either on the website or through the mobile app. Make sure you're on a secure connection and that you recognize the site or app. If the bank prompts you to verify your identity, simply follow the on-screen prompts before continuing. Once you're in, head to the Pay and Transfer section. On desktop, you'll see this in the main navigation. In the app, it usually appears on the bottom menu or under a Payments tab. This is your hub for moving money, paying bills, and sending funds to other banks. Next, choose Wire ACH Transfer. Bank of America groups these together because both move money to external accounts. Wires are typically faster and used for higher value or time-sensitive payments, while ACH transfers are generally slower and often used for routine transfers. If you're sending funds internationally, you'll be setting up a wire. Now enter the recipient's details carefully. You'll need the person's or business's full name and address, along with their bank account number. For transfers within the United States, enter the routing number. For international transfers, enter the SWIFT code provided by the recipient's bank. Take your time here and double-check everything. Names should match the bank account exactly and numbers must be accurate. A small typo can delay your transfer or send it to the wrong account. After that, enter the amount you want to send and review the summary. If it's an international transfer, confirm the currency you're sending and take a moment to look at any exchange rate shown. You'll also see applicable fees. For wires within the United States, the fee is typically $30. For international wires sent in US dollars, the fee is typically $45. If you choose to send internationally in the recipient's local currency, Bank of America often waives the outgoing transfer fee. Review any delivery estimates and make sure the details match your intent. When everything looks correct, confirm and send the wire transfer. You'll receive a confirmation screen and usually a reference number. Save that for your records. Domestic wires sent before 5 p.m. Eastern Time usually arrive the same day. Transfers sent after the cutoff, on weekends or on holidays, will process the next business day. If you need to send money urgently, aim to finish well before the cutoff time. That's it. You're all set to send a wire or ACH transfer securely and confidently with Bank of America.